Are you a seasoned SAP BPC consultant looking for your next big opportunity? We've got just the role for you. Imagine working remotely, providing top-tier expertise in SAP BPC implementation, customization, and support. We're seeking a seasoned professional with at least 5 years of experience in SAP BPC embedded projects. Your key skills should include a deep understanding of BPC embedded. Everything from environment and dimensions to data security and planning functions. But that's not all. You'll also need strong technical expertise in SAP BW modeling, reporting, and front-end tools like Design Studio and Analysis for Office. Knowledge of BW data modeling, process chains, and SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, will give you an extra edge. If you're ready to take your career to new heights, send your CV to vikrant@iglobal.com. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Click the link to join our job channel and take the next step in your career today. Your future awaits.